What's up guys, Broke Vapors here. Today we're going to be doing a review on the OECX Little Boy 40 watt mod battery. The OECX Little Boy 40 watt mod battery comes 2600 milliamps. I can just show you guys. Open it up. Yeah. They have the owner's manual. Little Boy 40 watt. Bunch of stuff. Don't really need to read it now. Just throw it over there. As you guys can see, it's quite a big battery. Has a nice design to it, quite heavy. Such nice patterns engraved on it. It's a very good mod with the LED display. Tap it 5 times to put it on, like almost all devices. Okay, I've got it set on 40 watts now. Can go as low as 7 watts. It's quite a big device. It has a few battery venting holes on the sides. It can take a standard Ego or 510 adapter. It charges via micro USB. It can go to about, it starts from 0.2 ohms to I think 3.2 ohms. The only thing on it it's not really a problem, but it's just a bit annoying, is the button rattle. As you guys can see, the eLeaf 24mm tank can fit perfectly on this device. And at 40 watts, you guys are talking about big power for a tank. When it's at 40 watts, it's a bit warm. You just see how many this tank reads. 0.27 ohms at 3.33 volts. If you hold both the buttons in, it goes on lock. So you can click it and it doesn't do anything. So it doesn't fire in your pocket. Just unlock it. Okay, and you can just keep it in. Let me show you how it vapes. It's quite a good battery. I actually highly recommend it, and it's quite cheap and affordable for the beginner vapors. And it does its job well. You can even run a dripper or RDA tank on it. Guys, please like and subscribe, and you can go check out our Facebook page at Broke Vapors 46. And thanks. Subscribe, like the video. Thanks. More to follow. Bye.